brand new AI just dropped, and it could change everything for creators. Every few months, a new tool comes along that reshapes how we write, edit, design, and publish content online. But this one isn't just another update. It's being called a game changer for creators in 2026, with features that could redefine workflow, speed, and creativity. In this video, we're breaking down what this new AI is, what it can do, and exactly what it means for anyone making content, videos, graphics, or ideas, no matter your experience level. Let's get into it. What is this new AI, and why is everyone talking about it? So first things first, what is this thing? The AI that just dropped is not just another chatbot update or a minor tweak to an existing tool. This is a significant leap in what AI can actually understand and produce. We are talking about a model that handles longer, more complex tasks, understands context at a much deeper level, generates creative content that sounds genuinely human, and does all of it faster than anything we have seen before. What is making people stop and pay attention is the combination of things it can do at once. It can read, write, summarize, generate image prompts, edit video scripts, build outlines, suggest content strategies, and analyze your audience data, all within seconds. For regular people, that might sound impressive but distant. For creators, this is a direct shift in how you run your entire workflow. The reason the internet is buzzing is simple. This is not just a productivity upgrade. It is a creative upgrade. And the creators who understand this early are going to move a lot faster than those who figure it out 6 months from now. How content creation just changed overnight. Let's talk about what changed in practical terms, because this is where things get real. If you are a YouTuber, this new AI can help you take a single raw idea and build a full video structure, complete with a hook, talking points, transitions, and a call to action in under 2 minutes. If you are a writer, it can take your rough notes and turn them into polished, long-form content that actually sounds like you wrote it. If you are a social media creator, it can repurpose one piece of content into multiple formats tailored to different platforms without you spending hours doing it manually. What is new here is not just the speed, it is the quality. Earlier AI tools could write, but they sounded robotic, repetitive, and hollow. This new generation of AI can actually match tone, pick up on nuance, and produce content that feels natural and engaging. For creators, this means one thing: the barrier to consistent, high-quality output just dropped significantly. You no longer need a full team to keep up with a posting schedule. You no longer need to sacrifice quality just to stay consistent. And if you are not tapping into this right now, someone in your niche already is. The real opportunity creators are missing right now. Here is the thing that most people are not talking about. The biggest opportunity is not in using AI to do your work for you. The biggest opportunity is in using AI to do more of your work, your way and faster. There is a clear difference, and it matters. Creators who treat AI as a replacement are going to struggle, because audiences can feel the difference between content made with genuine intention and content that was just pumped out. But creators who treat AI as a creative co-pilot are going to scale in ways that simply were not possible before. Think about it. You used to have to choose between quality and quantity. Pick one. AI removes that trade-off entirely. You can now produce more content without it feeling rushed or shallow, as long as you stay in the driver's seat, guide the direction, and add your personality on top. The opportunity right now is for creators willing to learn how to work with these tools effectively, integrate them into their process, and use them to go deeper, not just faster. More videos, better scripts, faster research, more ideas tested. The creators doing this quietly right now are building content machines that are going to be very hard to compete with. What AI still cannot do, and why that is good news for you. Now here is the part that should genuinely reassure you, because a lot of creators are feeling scared right now. They're asking, will AI replace me? Is my voice still valuable? Do audiences even need a human creator anymore? The answer is absolutely yes, and here is why. AI is incredibly good at generating content, but it has real and lasting limitations. It cannot experience things. It cannot have a personal story. It cannot feel what it is like to build something from nothing, go through a hard year, or stand in front of a camera and be vulnerable with an audience. It cannot replicate the genuine connection you have built with your followers over time. Audiences do not just consume content, they follow people. They subscribe because they trust a specific voice, relate to a particular perspective, and want to see what comes next from that person. AI can write a script, but it cannot build that relationship. It can generate ideas, but it cannot have lived experiences. What this means for you is that your human element, your personality, your stories, your worldview, is now more valuable than ever. Because when AI can produce generic content at scale, original human perspective is exactly what stands out. Lean into what makes you irreplaceable and use AI to handle the rest. Which types of creators will benefit the most? Not every creator will feel the impact of this ad the same way, and it is worth knowing where you stand. If you are an educator or explainer-style creator, this AI is going to be a genuine game changer. It helps you research topics fast, structure lessons clearly, and produce supporting materials like summaries and guides in a fraction of the normal time. If you are a personal brand or business creator, the ability to generate thought leadership content, repurpose interviews, and draft newsletters quickly is going to help you show up far more consistently. If you run faceless automation or niche information channels, this new AI is essentially a full production team in your pocket. Scripts, descriptions, video titles, all of it gets faster and better. Even fiction writers and storytellers benefit, with AI now capable of helping with plot development, character dialogue, and world building in a way that feels genuinely collaborative rather than mechanical. How to actually start using it without wasting time? Knowing AI exists won't help until you actually use it. Most creators fail by trying to do everything at once and get overwhelmed. Start with one problem. What takes the longest? Ideas, scripts, or repurposing content? Focus there first. Give AI clear, specific instructions. Not just write a script, but the topic, audience, tone, and length. And never post raw output. Edit it, add your voice, examples, and personality. AI gives the structure. You bring the substance. The future of content in a world where AI keeps improving. AI is evolving fast. What feels cutting edge today will be standard tomorrow. This shift raises the bar for content, rewarding originality, authenticity, and creative risk-taking. The creators who thrive won't be those using AI the most, but those using it to free up time for the work that truly matters, experimenting, connecting honestly with audiences, and taking bold creative swings. Remember, AI isn't your competition, it's a toolkit. Those who use it intentionally to amplify their own vision will create something no AI can replicate. So there you have it, the newest AI release and what it means for creators in 2026. Whether it helps you generate ideas, speed up editing, or automate your workflow, this tool could be one of the most useful ones you've seen yet. Which feature are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more updates on AI tools, creative workflows, and future tech that matters.